Understanding academic hierarchy, navigating the ranks in education. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that affects students, educators, and anyone involved in the academic world. We're talking about academic hierarchy. This term might sound a bit formal, but don't worry, we're going to break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Whether you're a student planning your future in academia or just curious about how things work behind the university doors, this video is for you. Academic hierarchy refers to the structured levels of ranking within an educational institution, especially in colleges and universities. This system is used to differentiate roles, responsibilities, and sometimes the level of influence of the staff and faculty members. It's like a ladder, where each rung represents a different position, from entry-level roles to the top leaders in academia. In this section, we'll go through some of the most common positions you'll encounter in the academic world, starting from the bottom and working our way up. Teaching assistants, TUSH. At the base of the hierarchy, we have teaching assistants. TUSH are usually graduate students who assist professors with various tasks, including teaching lower-level courses, grading, and even conducting research. Lecturers. Moving up, lecturers are primarily focused on teaching rather than research. They hold temporary or part-time positions and are often the first step for academics looking to climb the hierarchy. Assistant professors. Assistant professors are on the tenure track, which means they're working towards a more secure, permanent position. They're required to teach, conduct research, and publish their work. Associate professors. After achieving certain milestones, assistant professors can be promoted to associate professors. This position comes with tenure, offering job security and the freedom to explore independent research interests. Professors. At the top of the faculty ladder, we have professors. This title is reserved for individuals who have made significant contributions to their field. They are leaders in research, supervise doctoral students, and have a strong influence on academic policies. Department chairs and deans. Beyond individual faculty ranks, there are department chairs and deans who oversee specific departments and colleges within the university. They play key roles in administrative tasks, policymaking, and academic planning. Understanding the academic hierarchy is crucial for several reasons. For students, it helps in knowing whom to approach for advice, mentorship, or research opportunities. For aspiring academics, it's essential for planning their career path and understanding the steps and achievements needed to advance. Moreover, it sheds light on the decision-making process within educational institutions, including curriculum development and academic standards. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of academic hierarchy and why it's an important part of the educational landscape. Whether you're just starting your academic journey or looking to navigate the complex world of higher education, understanding this hierarchy can be incredibly beneficial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in our next video.